Hi my friends, it's Ian again over at Buildabizonline, and I'd like to thank you first of all for clicking on this video. If you're not yet subscribed, down underneath the video that you're seeing right now, there's a subscribe button. If you click on that and hit the notification bell as well, I think it's a good idea, so that when I add more tutorial videos, you will get notified, okay, and you'll be able to see them before anybody else. Okay, now the purpose of this video, over at the banner generator, okay, this is the banner generator, this is the pro one. The free one, you can find it there in the menu, look. And this one that we're in right now can be found by scrolling down the pro member, by clicking on there, look, and then coming down to pro member generator here. Okay, and this is where we are now. The thing that is added, I don't like videos right at the top of the page, so what he's done is kindly added this slide out just here, and you've got all the help that you need. So how to use this, how to make animated GIF banners, how to add to a banner rotator, and so on. So all the videos are down there. Now, when you click on a video, click on this link here, it will open up in a new window so that you can carry on here and then just go from window or tab to tab, so that you can follow the video and then fill a few boxes and go back to the video and so on. That way you can reference it and keep going backwards and forwards until you get it just how you want it. Okay, so there's plenty happening here at Buildabizonline. Lots and lots of things are happening and being tidied up. Please, incidentally, while we're here, keep your eye on this, the notes at the top here. Okay, because I've got a few emails the other day. What commissions do you pay? So I added this. Okay, now free members, they can make $2, $2.50, and you know that if you're upgraded, because most of our members are upgraded, they can get $6 and $10. Okay, so you sign somebody up and they upgrade, you will make commissions, good commissions. So thanks for listening, and bye for now. Please enjoy the banner builder and all the other tools. Bye for now.